What's up, my YouTube friends? Ooh, it's a sunny day, man. Ooh, yeah, it's really bright. I hope you're all doing well. This is a reminder video and probably a little train after this, and I don't know, something else might spill out of my mouth in this little period of time. Oh, yeah, something will. Sometimes I forget. It's man. It's as I get older and older, I think of things and I just forget them just like that. And man, I gotta write things down sometimes. I should write them down all the time because I forget a lot of good ideas that I have. It's part of getting old, man. So, this is a reminder video for questions from the truck for this coming Sunday. Oh, man. June is flying by. These months just fly by. I don't care if you're in quarantine or whatever you are in. As you get older, again, time just flies by. It just, I don't know. Life gets in the way, I guess. You're just busy constantly. And before you know it, it'll be Christmas. So it's for a reminder video for questions from the truck. This coming Sunday, I think it's like June, I don't know, 20th or something like that. I don't know. Doesn't matter. And if you have any questions, railroad related, woodworking related, or whatever, put them in the comments below. I will try to get you some answers from my viewers. Maybe I might know something. I don't know. So the next part is, hey, community roundhouse. You got to join us. If you haven't, I am going to put a link below. Send in your bloopers for my measure once, cut twice part of the show. Send in some Jerry and Dale, or Jerry and Roy sightings, or anybody else that might be on your layout that's part of the community. Send them in so Dale has something to talk about. And send in your layout photos, layout videos, so we all can see what's going on. We appreciate it. I will put a link below for Community Roundhouse and how you can share all these things with us all. As always, I look forward to hearing from you. I love your comments. Keep them coming. I enjoy them. Be well, be blessed. Until the next time. See ya. Enjoy the train.